windows, child, thank you. Open my windows so that so that the world doesn't catch me in my darkness of menopause. And maybe you'll help me clean the room a little later. What about you? Cool? Yeah, we will. Oh, I can't do the late, man. I'm just so bored. Sorry? Do I do what? It's good you've opened because it's a bit cooler. But we need to empty this thing before nomination. These things have to be up, right? So yeah. My bedroom is the storeroom. This is what poor women do. We use what we have